Hey, I'm just on my way home. I'm just on the bus coming down from me. It was good. I was doing a lot of cleaning stuff, but I was cleaning with someone else. It went good, so I will say there were some parts I enjoyed and some parts I did not. The part I did not enjoy was cleaning employee bathrooms. However, I actually did like some parts of it. I actually, surprisingly enough, I really enjoy mopping. Yes. I really liked cleaning the stations, I just did not like cleaning the bathrooms. Yeah, they're dingy. But to be fair, employee bathrooms are nowhere near as bad as customer bathrooms. That's a totally different level. Yeah, they hire separate contractors for customer bathrooms. Yeah, because the employee bathrooms they're gross, but they're nothing compared to the bathrooms that you'll see from the the passengers at the stations. Yeah, luckily the employee bathrooms do not have needles in them. But yeah, I was taught on how to deal with needles. They're called sharps. Yes, we do. I have not used them yet. Every station has at least one. Some have more than others. Wellesley has 4 sharps containers. Yeah, apparently there's a lot of drug use in that area. There's a lot of drugs. Yeah, I noticed, I will say, one of the stations I work at is in a very sketchy area at Lansdowne. Yes. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh nice. Oh nice.
Oh, the older.
Yes. Yes. Money laundering and chicken burger.
Alright? Yeah.
Oh nice. That's very close. That's very close to where Bridget lives. Nice. North side of Keystone Road. I see. Yeah. Yes. So I'm gonna come home, unpack my stuff, and I'm gonna go for a walk for a bit. All right. I'll see if there's anything I can make supper with. Yes. I can cook those? Okay. And do the baked meatballs have barbecue sauce? Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. That sounds great. Okay. Bye.